Sometimes it might be necessary to wash your Windkiller or Spacer kit if it gets dirty. Like in this case, it's fallen in some dirt. So it's totally okay to run water over their fur and get the major part of the dirt out. And lukewarm water, so kind of 30 to 40 degrees. Just give that a wash. And a little bit of a shake. And run your hands over it. Kind of like a wet dog. But if you want to give it a really good clean, then we recommend using some kind of shampoo or normal soap. Regular soap or shampoo. In this case I've got shampoo over here, and we'll just use a very little bit on my fingers there and work that into the fur. You just want to not do it for too long, probably maybe a few seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Just work it into the fur, give it a good little wash, and then again with a lukewarm water, rinse all that out. You can feel when it gets waterlogged, it's quite heavy, but once all the soap's gone, just give it a little squeeze. At this point, what can be really beneficial is to use some kind of brush or comb and just brush the last little bits of water out of the fur. This also brings it back to its very fine characteristics that it normally has, instead of being clumpy. And once we've done that, take it outside and give it a good shake. And then put it somewhere in the sun to dry.